We are here in Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 5L. Let's go on in. As with the studio apartments here in the building, we're entering through the kitchen. You can see the refrigerator, the microwave, the sink, the stove and oven, and our cabinets and drawers. Let's look across the kitchen into the bathroom. That's this door right here. Let's go take a look. The bathroom is all the same in Collegetown Plaza. You'll have that tub shower with a sliding door. There's the sink and vanity that does open up underneath for some additional storage. The toilet, the large mirror, towel bars, and a small mirrored cabinet on the wall on the right. Let's look in the main part of the apartment. Now these apartments are all the same size and shape. There are 5 on each floor, H, I, J, K, L. We're in apartment L, so that's the farthest to the north on the floor. And the furnishings will always be the dining table and chair, the dresser, the desk and chair, a full-size bed, and a bookshelf. We've got our closet over here. We'll take a look in there. So the main difference in the units is what floor it's on, the position on the floor, they're all right in a row, and then the view. Let's take a look at the view here. We're on floor 5. We have come up 1 floor from the lobby level. The lobby is on the east side of the building. But here we're on the west side of the building. So we've come up 1 floor, but we are 5 floors up. So you do get a nice valley view to our west outside of the window. You can see it's a large window. It has a mini blind as well. Here's the air conditioner in the left side of the window. And just to show you where we are in the Collegetown neighborhood, over there to our far left, far right, we can see the top of Cascadilla Hall. That's the Collegetown dorm here in the neighborhood. So that gives you an idea of where we are on campus. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're right in the heart of Collegetown, a half a block below the College and Dryden intersection, which is our main intersection in the Collegetown neighborhood. And from there, of course, we're located just 1 block to campus.